Fusion Team is an environment where you can store any data related to your project and collaborate with others on that project. This can be any form of data: PDFs, spreadsheets, text files, or images. In this video, you'll learn how to create a Fusion team and administrate a Fusion team. When you create a team, you automatically become the administrator. You can also be promoted to administrator by owners of other teams. Every new user of Fusion 360 needs to create a team, even if you are the only one on the team. To create a team, open the Data panel. At the top is the Team switcher. From the pull-down, select Create or Join Team. Review the page introducing Fusion Team, and then click Next. If you are a new user of Fusion 360, select Create a Team to create your personal team. If you are part of an organization that already has teams established, you can select Join Existing Team and pick a team from the list. Since I already have my teams established, I'm opening one of my existing teams with a link in the Team switcher. Let's get started by creating a new project. In the upper right, click the Create Project button. Enter the project name, and then pick an avatar for your project. You can find the administration tools by clicking on your user profile in the upper right-hand corner and selecting Admin. This is the Admin Team setting page. You can change the team name and allow file sharing. By default, file sharing is on. The administrator can control file sharing for all users. The Access section controls how new team members are invited to join the team. Admin invite only. Only the admin can invite new members. Admin approval required. Team members can recommend new members. No approval required. Team members can invite and approve new members. In the upper left corner, I've switched to the Members and Roles tab. Here, the administrator can view all team members and set the role for each team member. Designations include team member, team administrator, and project contributor. To invite new team members, select the Invite button in the upper left corner. Enter a single or multiple email addresses and press the Invite button. An email will be sent out inviting new team members. Let's look at the settings in your profile. Click on your user profile in the upper right-hand corner and select Settings. Here, the administrator can look at the teams, set the defaults for team members, and leave teams. In the upper left corner, I've switched to the Preview tab. Here, you can switch on features that are under development. If you turn these features on, you can give feedback to Autodesk regarding their development. Even within the team, you can set levels of access for each project. Looking from the top level of projects, select a project, then select Project Details from the upper right side panel. Select the Settings icon. Set the type of access for this project: Open, Closed, or Secret. Use the Manage Members button to select project members. The role of each member in this project can be set to Editor, Viewer, or Project Administrator. Anytime you want to go back to the top level of all projects, you can click on the Fusion F in the upper left corner. In this video, you learned how to create a team and administrate the team. We discussed how to add and invite new team members, set project accessibility, and assign access levels to individual users.